Realistic flames dance around logs or crystals to make this fireplace a mesmerizing part of your home decor. It works equally well hung on or inserted into your walls. It can also be easily inserted into an existing fireplace. Enjoy all the beauty of real wood-burning fires with none of the mess or hassle. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Warm your home. Cozy's elegant 50 inches electric fireplace insert effortlessly provides supplemental heat for spaces up to 400 square feet. Its minimalist construction and modern design provide timeless appeal. Number 2. Versatile space heater. Set the electric heater in 750 watts mode to keep out light chill, or punch it up to 1500 watts to instantly heat your bedroom, living room, or other space from your fireplace, mantle, TV stand, or other fixture. Number 3. Realistic flames. This attractive fireplace insert features 5 flame effects over log or crystal backdrops in 9 LED colors to impart a dreamlike ambience to your room. Number 4. Safe and easy operation. CETL certified safe. This remote-controlled electric fireplace is convenient to use and protects you and your loved ones from the dangers of open flames. Number 5. Satisfaction guaranteed. Clear instructions guide you through a simple assembly, after which your enjoyment and peace of mind are assured thanks to Cozy's usual strong warranty and friendly 24/7 customer service. Number 6. Front inlet and outlet. The air inlet and outlet are placed forward to let you fully or partially recess your fireplace into a wall. Number 7. Tough black glass fascia. With its clean contemporary lines and strong tempered glass, the front panel of this magical fireplace will deliver a superior viewing experience for years. Number 8. Cool to the touch. Despite its realistic flame display, the glass remains cool to keep it suitable for children and pets. Only the upper vents produce heat when needed, and sensors protect the device and your home against overheating. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.